So the first thing we've got to do is swap out the rubber seal from the new cartridge, from the new filter, and put it onto the cartridge. So I'm using a super high-tech tool for this. You probably want to go and buy one of these yourself. It's a wooden chip fork. The wood won't damage anything, and with any luck it will be as effective as the alternative, which would be a slotted screwdriver. So we'll just pull that off. And the only reason I've come across this exceptionally high quality tool is because we had fish and chips in Saltburn yesterday, and rather a nice drive out. Okay, so we can see there's some grit and dirt around these threads, so we need to give that a bit of a wipe. Get a cloth. We use this what looks like a very grubby cloth, but it's microfiber and they're perfect for doing anything like this. So this is a new filter, and the filter comes complete with a new sealing ring. It looks identical to that one I've just taken off. So we'll get the sealing ring around the very bottom and then pry it round, and that's it in place there. No problem at all. Now the filter itself goes over there and clicks into place. You've got to make sure it clicks, and then you know it's okay. Last thing to do is actually to put a little bit of engine oil around here, so I'll do that off camera and then we can install it.